Hello everyone. Question is, a user is attempting to pay for their morning coffee using Apple Pay on their iPhone. The user quickly taps their phone against the payment terminal but it fails to process. Which of the following should the user do to properly use NFC for payment? Option A, turn on airplane mode and then try again. Option B, hold the phone 5 inches above the payment terminal. Option C, manually select a card from your Apple Wallet and try again. Option D, hold the phone on the payment terminal for at least 3 seconds. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is, Dion Training has an open wireless network so that their students can connect to the network during class without logging in. The Dion Training security team is worried that the customers from the coffee shop next door may be connecting to the wireless network without permission. If the Dion Training wants to keep the wireless network open for one student but prevents the coffee shop's customer from using it, which of the following should be changed for or modified? Option A, firewall. Option B, default SSID. Option C, single strength or power level. Option D, MAC filtering. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a user's workstation is infected with malware. You have quarantined it from the network. When you attempt to boot it to the Windows 10 desktop, it fails. Which of the following should you do next to begin remediating this system? Option A, disable system restore and reinstall Windows 10. Option B, format the workstation and reinstall Windows 10. Option C, restore the workstation from the last system restore point. Option D, restart into safe mode and conduct an antivirus scan. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, Joseph contacted the service desk because his Windows 10 desktop is acting strangely. He cannot use his mouse, speakers, or printers connected to his workstation by USB. Yesterday, everything worked normally. He attempted to reboot the computer to fix the issue, but it remains. Which of the following actions should be performed next? Option A, roll back any system updates or changes since yesterday. Option B, roll back the printer's device driver in the device manager. Option C, disable system restore in Windows. Option D, disable the Windows Update service to prevent future issues. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Dion Consulting Group has been hired by a large security operations center SOC to build a Windows 2019 domain environment. The SOC has a total of 150 Windows 10 Professional Edition workstations that will connect to the domain for authentication, administration, and access to networked resources. Which of the following types of network models is being used by this security operations center in the domain environment? Option A, client or server. Option B, hub and spoke. Option C, mesh. Option D, peer-to-peer. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your company's shared drive has several folders that have become encrypted by a piece of ransomware. During your investigation, you found that only the sales department folders were encrypted. You continue your investigation and find that a salesperson's workstation was also encrypted. You suspect that this workstation was the original source of the infection. Since it was connected to the sales department's shared drive as a mapped S drive, it was also encrypted. You have unplugged the network cable from this workstation. What action should you perform next to restore the company's network to normal operation? Option A. Schedule a full disk anti-malware scan on the workstation. Option B. Restore the sales department folders from backups. Option C. Schedule weekly scans and enable an access scanning. Option D. Disable system restore on the workstation. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.